All right, so 9:30 open here. We can see London high has been taken, but I'm still feeling very bullish on the day. We have this 1 hour zone that I'm really interested in taking some buys from here to continue up. The price was breaking through this 1 hour zone on the lower time frames. I found a 15-minute zone lower in London. I thought that price might like to reject from this area instead of the higher 1 hour. And I started looking for entries down here. We'll head over to the chart and see how this played out. Price. We can see that the red box indicates an inverted fair value gap, and I need price to close above this box, creating a regular fair value gap for me to enter off of and confirm a long entry. All right, we get the regular fair value gap. It has shrunk as price has kind of pushed back down into it, but we can see that there is still one there. But I would like to see price close above the inverted before entering. All right, we get the closure above the inverted fair value gap, and I am in this trade. I'm no longer waiting for the retracements into the fair value gap. I just need to see it respected, and I am entering above the inverted fair value gap just to make sure that I'm getting in this trade and not left behind. All right, we can see my alert set. I have my first alert set at structure. I'm going to take profit at that first structure break and go BE. As well, my stop loss is set, and I'm walking away from the charts to let this play. Sold one contract here, the break of structure, new alert set at the next break of structure. I'm BE, risk-free, and letting this trade ride. All right, here we can see that price is rejecting this local high. It is quite common for Nas to reject these structure points. I'm still confident in the long bias of this trade. I've created a zone here of a 5-minute fair value gap that I expect price may retrace back into to continue up. Just for mental clarity, I expect to see this, so I'm not worried when I see price fall back on me. Shout out my buddy Matt Gray for teaching me the magnet trick. 60% of the time this works 100% of the time. Had to throw it on there just to get it some extra juice to break this structure. All right, magnet works. You can see that I took a limit order sell here. I have one contract remaining, feeling super good, letting this ride, and we're just going to see if we can take this to highs. This is kind of becoming a battle of greed. You know, I have a set amount in my head that I wanted to make today. At this point in the trade, I'm about $50 short of that. Do I want to risk the $50 and have this potentially come back and hit my stop loss for more than that? Or can I just be okay with it? And then, you know, the $50 is so easy to make up next week. And there we go. You know, places to be. Got to move on with my day. Happy with the progress and profit today. 170 points on Nasdaq is insane.